What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl, D to the E to the D to the E. Dee, and I'm back with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't forget one type of video. Like, I've not been feeling good. My head been killing me for like last couple days. I don't know what's wrong. Right now I'm about to make me some little cheeseburger egg rolls. I'm gonna have some leftover ground beef that I cooked a couple days ago, and I'm gonna put that back on the stove and cook it with some onions. And right now I got some bacon in the air fryer. So it's in the air fryer right now. I have some, get out my kitchen, Charlie. I have some egg roll wraps, and yeah, my head is killing me. I hope you guys all having a wonderful and a blessed week. Today is Wednesday. Hump day, hump day, hump day. While that's cooking, I'm about to get in the shower. The bacon's cooking. I'm gonna get in the shower real quick. Just need a quick wake up, like, 'cause I feel really drowsy and sleepy. I don't know, it's because my head is hurting. I don't know what it is. But I'm about to get in the shower real quick. My bacon cooking in the air fryer. My bacon look. So I cut up my little onions. Heating up this skillet right here. I'll put this ground beef in there. Onions in there. Just gonna warm it up, you know. Warm it up. Alright guys, so I just put the bacon on top of it. Okay, so I really don't know how to do this. I just so thin. So thin. Okay. Okay. We don't know how much you should put in there. And it says, in the center, wrap with fold bottom corners. So maybe like this. Then like this. No, don't fucking ask me, because I do not fucking know. That. Then I'm assuming that looks horrible. Guys, that was hard, but this is my favorite one. I think this one came out the best. But I got 5 egg rolls left to put in the fire now. Look at my hands. I can't see that. Hopefully they don't come apart. Yeah, this one. Oh, it's coming apart already. Okay, guys, so this is how they came out. It was very hard to roll them, but you see the one on top was my perfect one. And we're gonna try one. Give me a look. It's crunchy. I'm so excited. Alright. I'm going. Good. So I've been laying in my bed for like, I don't know, hours, just laying around, not really doing shit. So I don't have shit to do. And I feel like I just want to take my dog to the park. So we will take Charlie to the park so he can run around and be a dog. And chill. This little snack with me a Pedialyte. My stomach very much so upset still. I don't know why. Shit, it's shitty motherfucker. You gonna bring the ball back? The ball. Get the ball. Fucker. Just put Charlie his food. I think he does water. I want to put some clean water in. You can run out of tea. So I went to Grocery Outlet. I got Charlie 2 of these little thingies. They only like 69 cents. And then Charlie's eating this right now. I got him 2 of those. And then I got me a whole pack of hot links. I don't know why I did. But they're only $7, so. Look at Charlie. Charlie. Hey guys, it's the next day. I just been in bed. Like I've been up since like 8. It's like 10 o'clock now. So I'm about to get up and eat me some cereal, I think. I might make me some bacon. Me and Charlie some bacon. And get in the shower. And then I'm gonna reinstall my wig today. And yeah. Let's get into it. Good morning. All the way. Getting everywhere going so good. Hey guys, I went to the store. I got me some banana. I got me some ginger. My stomach's been very upset for the last couple days. I don't know why. Got tomatoes. Yeah, there's nothing in this cabinet. This is my snack cabinet, but there's nothing in here. And what else? I'm waiting for my bacon. I got some toast in the oven. A bacon, a BLT with some toast and jam. I already ate my banana and I'm about to be drinking this. This shit, why am I getting rid of this fucking dog? Because why the fuck this motherfucker shit in my fucking house and then had the audacity to sit there